Welcome to Holton Croft in Holton-le-clay, a hidden gem just off Louth Road. Right where your next chapter could begin, this thoughtfully designed development offers a beautiful collection of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom, semi-detached and detached homes, built to a high standard with quality craftsmanship throughout, and perfectly positioned to enjoy the peaceful countryside surroundings, with the coast just a short drive away. And when you choose new with Gleeson, you're choosing more than a home. You're choosing a fresh start, a blank canvas, modern layouts, energy-efficient design, and high-quality finishes you can rely on, all with the reassurance of a 10-year warranty, so you can move in with confidence. We're also proud to support the people who keep this community moving, with schemes such as part exchange and those tailored for key workers, including those at the local hospital. We're helping make home ownership more accessible. Whether you're taking your first step onto the property ladder or settling into a forever home, Holton Croft has something waiting for you. Why not come and see it for yourself? Book your visit and discover Holton Croft today.